tao, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long life, good person, good life. Long live, good person. Welcome to my vlog. I'm your teacher vlogger, retired teacher, Teacher B. Erlinda B. Basilio Rendon. For this afternoon, I'm here in SM Main, Icolan. My vision now is to feature this car, which is the Navara red car. So a while ago, I was able to talk with the sales consultant, and according to them, this car, the edition is Navara Pro 4X. Yeah, Navara 4X. So they have their contact number. Their main office is in Bahada, Davao City, GP Laurel Street, Davao Unicar Corporation, Nissan Davao Unicar. 094459610725. May I repeat, contact number for those who are interested, 0945961075. Okay, welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon. So this is the feature Navara. Have a glimpse of this. The sales consultant, he refused to be interviewed, but they were able to give me the details. So this is just glimpses of the tire. Pro 4X Navara. Okay, let's go here. Ma'am, sir, can I open? Pwede. So, this one. Ma'am, I will picture mabuhay, Ma'am Chan. Ha? Do I know you? You are?
Yes, but wait lang, I have a bite.
Ah, sige, okay lang.
Ma'am, I am your student.
Ano na gani, ma'am?
Second, Guevara. Guevara.
Hala. Oh, you are the manager here?
No, ma'am.
I asked permission to vlog.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, so we will talk later.
Yes.
Yeah, wow.
I'm your student way back 2006.
Ilang nationalized schools? Johara.
Guevara. Section D.
Oh, Dao.
Yes.
Hala, I'm glad to meet you.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
nice to meet you. Okay. Please explain na muna. I will talk.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sige,
this is one of the benefits of being retired. Ma'am Jo,
okay.
please explain to me, what are the features of your car?
Okay. Sige, nakoy call,
Sige, okay lang. Okay. So here we are, like to feature this car, the Navara. And I'm glad that she was my former student. This is the car inside. Okay, and just have a glimpse. Davao Unicar Corporation, Nissan. Okay. It's my dream car actually. Dream Pro 4X, but just a dream car. I do not know if I can still have this one. The impossible red car dream. Yeah. But I also believe in the words of Islam, nothing is impossible. So Nissan Navara. We look for the other features here. Okay, so this is it, Nissan. Okay, Navara. Wow, so really a dream for all people. So if you are interested, come now in SM Icolan, the main shopping center, just in front of Chowking. where I have my latest lunch there. Okay, so this is really a nice car. First of all, I love the color. Okay, let's have a glimpse. Tires, everything. So amazing car. So for now, I am your endorser, promoter of different cars. What are you waiting for? Come now and buy this Pro 4X red car. I am your teacher vlogger, retired teacher being Erlinda Bing, live and alive, here in SM Ecolan Main Shopping Center. Thank you Kamabuhay and Kamabuhayers for joining me in my vlogs now and then and supporting me in my Facebook, my reels. I'm just happy that you are supporting me. Don't forget, if there's no picture or video, it did not happen. When what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. God is good all the time. What are you waiting for? Come now to SM Ecolan Main and buy this dream car, the red one. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Thank you, Kamabuhay, Kamabuhayers, everyone on Facebook, my FB friends, followers, all of you. Thank you so much. Like, comment, share, subscribe, including my YouTube, Mabuhay channel, my Facebook account, my reels, and all my posts. My dad are the sales consultant, but they refuse to be interviewed. So, for now, this is my picture, your endorser, your promoter, your model of Pro 4X Navara, the red car. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Until my next vlog, retired teacher being Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, signing off until my next edition. Mabuhay and good morning in the afternoon. Thank you everyone. Mabuhay!